Welcome back, YouTube. Welcome back to the Lions Den channel. Today's edition, we are going to remove the HVAC unit from a 2010 Challenger. Now it's nighttime right now. It's because I'm at my overnight job. It's actually, what time is it? 3 in the morning. And I'm meaning to do this video. Check. So first off, stop dropping the camera. That's what's first. Gotta stop dropping the camera, okay? So uneven. Matter. It's crazy. Part number. $551-1952AE-001. Not in these models, but like a lot of the Jeeps, you'll find that the contacts on the back of here actually go bad on the inside. The contacts when you twist the knob and everything. So yeah. Get your little flathead screwdriver or a panel tool, one or the other, and you're going to want to pop the edge off and the surrounding little part. Just go around it nice and easy, you know. It'll come out. Normally when you're doing something electrical, you want to disconnect the battery, but my car is running, it's cold outside, and I just felt like doing the video right now. Got that out. Make sure it's off. At least make sure it's off. This is extra. It's probably for a different model, maybe a newer model year. Just take that out. Still horrible with this camera right now. Trying to do things with one hand. This has a lock on it. So turn it so you can see it. That off of there. Now these have screws to hold them into place, but I don't have my screws in here at the moment. So let's get rid of the old one. You can maybe see if I have a screw in here somewhere. Should be 4 screws that hold it in place though. So it'll be here, 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 and here. Man, this is very simple. So just know if you want to change the stereo out too, very easy. I'm still looking into customizing this. That's for another episode on this channel. You guys out there, let me know. Let me know what you find or what you see, because this screen, it won't do. I think I found the largest screen for this 2010 was like 8.1 or something like that. Unfortunately, it's not what I want. I want like a 10-inch monitor, man. I want my car to have some similarities to the newer cars. I mean, I know the front facing and stuff like that, the dash is different, so. Try to put this flashlight on. See if I can see that 4 screws for that. Pop right out. Electrical connectors on the back, just like these. And just get you a dash, get you a deck. I just need 2 screws, if anything. Could have swore I had some screws in here. Always had screws. All of a sudden I don't have them. Somebody with an old school crashing it out. Push button broke. Let's see what we got here. Small flathead. Take the new one. Place it in here like so. A Phillips or a flathead screwdriver. Screw might not even fit. Nope, that'll be the smallest screw. So that's not even gonna work for me. ain't nothing. I don't have a screw small enough, which sucks. So yeah, really that quick and easy, in all honesty. Make sure it's all something going in here. There's 4 screws that go in here. Plug the electrical connectors back up. Set it in there like so. And there you go. You're all set. That'll flash for a minute. Let it get actuated with the computer. And yeah, once you do, everything works. We out. Side note to all my subscribers and watchers. Ooh, that light is ugly. I'm somewhat of a dork. I like to build computers too, so yeah. That's what I'm gonna be throwing that in here.
Hey, how you try it like that?
Like what?
You was talking on your camera?
Uh-huh. Yeah.
So you gotta spray in there?
I already sprayed in there.
Oh.
And we gotta put this
In there?
we gotta put this wristband, this grounded wristband on.
Okay. I can help you too, Daddy. But you don't need no hammers to broke it. So you don't need no hammers. Did I put this in the trash? Put this in the trash?
I mean, it's not, but it is a little bit.
Did I put this in the trash?
No, we don't have to put it in the trash. You make sure you clip this to the ground. Ground that up.
So you can press the button, Daddy?
Hmm?
So you can press the button?
Yep. And we put this around our little...
You?
Mm-hmm.
So you can, like, press it?
Yeah.
Okay.
No, we don't press it. It straps around my wrist.
Oh. Okay. It straps around your wrist?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. It's gonna make you straight?
Daddy's wrist is pretty big.
Yeah. You can put it on my wrist because my wrist is not big, Daddy.
It's not?
Nope.
No?
Yeah, because Daddy don't press that button.
Hard drive to it. It's a solid state drive.
Yep.
Makes your computer
solid.
faster. So.
Okay. I'm gonna wait here, Daddy.
Oh, yeah.
They have to fix
I don't know if I want you to walk, huh? Or are you gonna walk to right here? That's a walk, man. I don't want you to walk. Or you feel like walking something, you just need some mind space or something.
Like you already sprayed last time.
Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm. That's for your computer.
Yeah.
They're fixing your computer.
Yeah, we're just adding some memory to it. And
Yep.
And we got the DDR4s for the actual memory. These are 8 just G Skills. Comes with a nice little sticker. Got 2 more slots, so I'll just go ahead and just throw them in there.
That's what you can eat, Daddy.
Adonis. I don't think that's funny. You might be laughing, but I'm not. Chill out. Oh boy, where's my flashlight at?
Your flashlight.
Yeah. Open this up a little bit.
I don't know. Let me get it then. Your big flashlight, Daddy.
Huh?
Your big flashlight. Woo! The iPad.
We gotta open these up. The clamp is open. Oh, that's good.
Hard as a rock. I worked 10 hours on a concrete floor. I can barely walk. Hurt and not comfortable. And the ones that love these shoes, oh yeah. This is good.
Archie, how do you find that so fast?
If I need to walk in shoes.
Switch this wrist up.
What's up, Archie? Look at Daddy's hand.
Mine had asked if I wanted to find you my fingerprint. So I do my fingerprint.
Archie, did you put it right back there? There. There you go, Archie. You're the best boy ever. Whoa, that's incredible. Don't go more food.
That's one. Thank you. That in there. That's the only thing. See, I needed these to come with screws. Stop.
The way I see it, I have. Car pay is harder for those people. So I just do it.
Now Daddy can see it, Arthur.
You got your terabyte solid state drive instead of a hard drive. I have a hard drive, but I also have a solid state drive on the back side. You guys can see it.
I went to Walmart.
Got another one to it. I need screws though for the inside of it.
Daddy, you need a screw?
Yep, I do.
I'm gonna give you a screw. Yes, I need to give that some.
So you gotta make sure off of the power box. It's over there. It comes from down here. It's a wire that's ran through here for HDD, which is a hard drive. So you can use a solid state drive or hard drive. I have a hard drive here, one solid state drive, 1 terabyte of that, and then we're going to add another one. So just make sure you grab the wire that comes off of each. This will be the end. So this is the first one, second one, third one,
I find this screw
fourth
for
one.
you, Daddy.
So I'm going to add it to the second one.
There's the screw for you, Daddy. Here you go.
Thank you.
Look. I have some this screw to work for Daddy.
Slide, match them up.
They know how to choose it out. Miss me? You do miss me, Daddy.
All the time.
Yep. So you need to screw it out.
So normally
You don't
what
need
we
to
would
screw
do.
these out, Daddy.
Okay, Donna, stop. Let's mount these here. Wire this way. Kind of just go about it. Mount it here. We don't have that there, so we're gonna probably just set it underneath for now until we get some more mounting screws. Always make sure you got your ground on. I kind of just want to really, I don't want it hanging. I really just want to slide it through here and just let it sit where it's at. We'll just set it in there for
Sorry,
now.
Daddy. Basketball bat. We go.
So that's 2 solid state drives that we have, and then a hard drive. And your motherboard. Just a little something extra.